There's a Cessna out here coming across my head, and I think I've heard two more jumbo jets, capitalized jumbo jets. But it's misty, foggy, you can't see anything. They didn't come right over my head. I mean, I think I just heard one out over 24191. So you'd think he'd still be making the same level of noise, right? But he's making probably 10%, now 5% of the same noise because they make their own Doppler effects. And people could just play back the videos from before, and you could see that the difference between the fake Doppler effect. The old videos, I mean, it's science. The old videos have Doppler effects, but it's barely anything because that's how it is in reality, not how these people are selling it.